Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a counter effect in Premiere Pro. Here, you can see that I have a video on my timeline, and let's say I want to add a counter effect to this video. To do this, select the Type tool and click on the video. This is just for creating a placeholder to add our effect, so you don't need to write anything inside it. Now, go to the Effects panel and search for metadata. Here is where you might run into a problem. If you are using Premiere Pro 2025, you will see an effect called metadata and timecode burn-in. But if you are using a version older than 2025, you need to search for and add the timecode effect. Both effects work in the same way, but in the latest versions they changed the name, so you need to find it according to your version. Since I am using the latest version of Premiere Pro, I will add the metadata and timecode burn-in effect to the text layer. This will add a time value to the screen. Now go to the Effect Controls panel. From here, adjust the size as needed and set the position around the middle of the screen. Then click on Format and change it to Frames. Next, click on Metadata and change it to Generate Timecode. If the position changes, simply move it back to the middle. Now you have a working counter on screen. To remove the black space around the number, scroll down and click on Blend Mode. Now change the mode to Screen. You can change the offset value if you want the counter to start from a different number, but in my case, I'll leave it as it is. Resize the text layer to match your clip. Now let's play it from the start. Here you can see that the counter is working perfectly fine. And that's how you can create a counter in Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.